Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing the Motorola Razr 2025 Swarovski Edition in the exclusive Pantone Ice Melt color, available through Cricket Wireless. This isn't just a phone, it's a statement piece. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Price and availability. Priced at $799.99, this premium edition is available exclusively through Cricket Wireless. It launched on August 15, 2025, and is currently out of stock online. However, you can check with local Cricket Wireless stores for availability. Segment 2. Design and build. Crafted with a leather-inspired finish in a 3D quilted pattern, the Pantone Ice Melt color adds a touch of elegance. The device features 35 hand-set Swarovski crystals, including a prominent 26-facet crystal on the hinge, making it a true work of art. Segment 3. Display and performance. Unfolding to reveal a 6.9-inch FHD Plus POLD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, this phone offers a smooth and vibrant viewing experience. Powered by an octa-core processor with 4 A78 cores clocked at 2.6 GHz and 4 A55 cores at 2 GHz, it ensures seamless multitasking. Segment 4. Camera and features. Capture stunning photos with the 50-megapixel rear camera and 32-megapixel front camera. Enhanced by Moto AI, features like Catch Me Up, Remember This, and Pay Attention elevate your smartphone experience. Segment 5. Battery and connectivity. Equipped with a 4,500 mAh battery, it supports fast charging to keep you powered throughout the day. Connectivity options include USB Type-C, Bluetooth 5.4, and Wi-Fi 6, ensuring you're always connected. Segment 6. Accessories and final thoughts. This edition comes with a premium crossbody case, adding both style and functionality. If you're looking for a blend of luxury and cutting-edge technology, the Motorola Razr 2025 Swarovski Edition in Pantone Ice Melt is a standout choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.